Okay, children, today we are going to see about the social 5th standard, first lesson our year. Let us answer the following. First question is, what do you know about the universe? So, how the universe is formed. So, we have already written the answer. Due to an explosion, the dust particles, so that dust particles are the particles which revolve around the sun, which revolve around the sun, formed planets. One of the planet, thus one of the planet, Earth, is formed. How the Earth is? Sorry. What do you know about the universe is? The universe is a vast expanse. The universe is a vast expansion of space. Okay. Vast expansion of space. It consists of, what all is having in universe? It consists of billions of galaxies. Stars, planets, dwarf planets. So spell the word dwarf planets, then comets, then asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. Okay, so what do you know about universe? The universe is a vast expansion of space. It consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, dwarf planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. Okay, the next one is define solar system. What does it mean by that? Define solar system. So, solar system consists of the 9 planets. Second one is define solar system. So, what do you mean by the solar system? So, answer is the solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. So, what is solar system? The solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. So, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay. Now, the next one is How did the earth form? The third question is, how did the earth form? So how did the earth form? This also I taught you earlier. How did the earth form? So that for that only, due to the explosion, due to the explosion, due to an explosion, the particles which revolve around the sun, which revolve around the sun, which revolve around the sun, are formed planets. Okay, so those dust particles form the planets. One of the planet, thus one of the planet, Earth is formed. Okay, due to an explosion, the particles which revolve around the sun are formed as planets. Thus, one of the planet, Earth, is formed. Then, the next question, the fourth one is, distinguish between rotation and revolution. What do you mean by the rotation and revolution? Distinguish between rotation and revolution. So answer. So first one, rotation. So rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The movement of the earth on its axis. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation of the earth. Rotation. In this, day and night are caused. Day and night are caused. Then, what do you mean by the revolution? So, what do you mean by the revolution? Revolution, what do you mean by the revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. The movement of the earth, the movement of the earth around the sun. Around the sun on its axis. Axis is called revolution. It's called revolution. So in this, seasons are caused. So here, seasons are caused by seasons are caused. That one, the day and night are caused. So this is the difference distinguished between the rotation. The rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. So day and night is caused. Here, the movement of the earth around the sun on its axis is called revolution. Seasons are caused. Now the next one is Fifth question. How many oceans are there on the earth? How many oceans? There are 5 oceans on the earth. How many oceans are there? On the earth? Answer is there are 5 oceans. 5 oceans on the earth. Okay, what is that? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So these are the 5 oceans. Okay, so learn all the 5 short questions. Now you are going to see the detail. So detail is also the very easy one only. Write about the solar system. Answer in detail. Write about solar system. That is already we have written in the short answers. No, that short answer 1 point you can take it out and write. Write about the solar system. What do you mean by the solar system? So for this, the same answer that I have already given is solar system consists of planets, comets, that one no. So that answer you can write. So solar system consists of the sun, the moon, the sun, the 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planet, asteroids and comets. Okay, asteroids and comets. The rocky, next point is, this is the first point you have written. The next point is the rocky inner planets. The rocky inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called terrestrial planets. And third point is the outer planets. The outer planets are Jupiter. Outer planets is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus and Neptune. Are called gaseous planet. So these planets are called the gaseous planet. And the next one is the frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune. The frozen planets. Uranus and Neptune. So this is the detailed answer for you children. So learn this lesson. and one first lesson and the second lesson also will be there. In this, what is Stone Age I have given. Write a note on nomadic life, define the Neolithic age, write a note on pottery and name some archaeological sites in Tamil Nadu. Then in detail, only one question I gave, how can we classify the Stone Age? So learn all this, what all I have written on the board. I think you have got about the information about the quarterly exam. So might be it will be start from the Monday. So go through the lessons and the question answers, what all I gave, fill up, match, choose, show off, or whatever in the social. You take and learn, and question answers and detail is there. Okay. And now and learn, while you are learning, learn the spelling also, children. And then all the fill up, everything what all you are written in the book, learn the fill ups and everything in the question answer. And second lesson, choose the best answer is there, fill in the blanks is there, and answer the following is also there. Okay, so learn this.